Welcome and congratulations on your decision to invest in your future by taking this college course. I'm Professor Julie, and over the coming weeks, we will look at how you can take your reading, writing, and critical thinking skills to the next level. Now, I don't know about you, but even though I've been teaching online for a couple of years now, this online learning and teaching still feels a bit new. So my hope is that we can embrace the challenge together, learn from each other, and move forward through the semester. Here are some things that you can expect from me. First, experience. I have close to 20 years teaching community college students, and I engage in ongoing professional development. So my goal is to always deliver the best possible learning experience for all of my students. Commitment. I have a passion for my students, and I am just tickled when they meet or exceed the goals that they've set for themselves. And support. I look at it like it's my job to help you do your job to excel at academic learning. But what about you? What do you expect from yourself this semester? I hope you expect the 3Ds, that desire to succeed, that passion and self-motivation that takes to help you set yourself up for success, that dedication, like any worthwhile challenge or goal, it takes that hard work, follow through, and commitment, that dedication to succeed. And lastly, the third D, the dare to go on, not letting any setback or challenge get in your way. A little bit about me. I'm married to my husband, John. I have three sons, Mike, Matt, and Zach, and a Boston Terrier named Roscoe. When I am not in the classroom teaching, I like to get outdoors to hike and walk, and I also like doing creative things like cooking and playing the piano. Thanks so much for signing up for this course, and I look forward to moving through this semester together with you. Let's dig in, shall we?